Nikki's here getting her birthday song. Jaden, say hey. Say happy birthday, Nikki.
Hey. Can you tell me your name, please? Nikki.
I'm going to kill you.
Can you stand on your chair, please?
Oh my God.
Go on, just stand up on the chair for me. Can you hold this for a second?
Let's sing.
Can I have your attention, please, TJ Fridays? It's Nikki's birthday today. Can we give her a big round of applause? And true TJ style, we're going to sing her a song. If you clap along with me.